I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we're talking about the Knitting Factory in Brooklyn, New York City is shutting down. Knitting Factory opened its Brooklyn location at 361 Metropolitan Avenue, the former home of Lunar Lounge, in September of 2009 after its Tribeca location located in downtown Manhattan shut down in the same year. Now the venue is saying goodbye to Williamsburg, Brooklyn as well. They've announced that they're closing on August 21st. A statement from the venue reads, "To our BK and family, BK friends and family, we are saddened to announce that our time in Williamsburg is coming to an end. We will be closing our doors for the last time on August 21st, 2022. The past 13 years have been incredible, and we could not have been more proud of our stay on Metropolitan Avenue, Brooklyn. We are going to miss the live music and comedy that graced the stage more than we can say, but it is time for the knit to once again reinvent itself. Thank you for welcoming us to your community way back in 2009, September 2009, and for your unwavering support over the years, especially the last 24 months. But we could not have done any of it without our wildly talented crew, both past and present. Thanks for sticking it out with us. Stay tuned for what's to come and some final show announcements. In the meantime, come say goodbye and catch a show while you can. Don't fret, you'll see us again in the coming months. Knitting Factory. Wow, this is pretty tough news. I'm a born and raised New York City resident, but I currently live in Las Vegas. I have been to the Knitting Factory that was in downtown Manhattan in Tribeca, Manhattan, but I moved from New York City in the beginning of 2009. So I actually never attended the Knitting Factory in Brooklyn. Definitely, I was sad to hear when they shut down the Knitting Factory in Manhattan, but it was cool to hear that they were opening a Knitting Factory in Brooklyn. But this is sad news now in the year 2022. The Knitting Factory will no longer exist in New York City. That's tough. A lot of great local musicians came up there, and those are the venues where local musicians in any city really thrive and keep those venues running. I was in New York City when the world famous CBGB's closed, and that was tough. I saw Rancid there. So, another bite. They're not saying why this place is closing. Is it a rent increase? Is it not good? Is it the economy that's affecting this place? Is business down? Are they not getting certain artists? I don't know. They're just saying that they're shutting down. Unfortunately, not saying why they're shutting down or what's going to happen to any music venue, or if they're going to create another music venue. As I mentioned, they closed the Manhattan one in 2009 and then opened this one in Brooklyn, but now they will be closing the Brooklyn music venue. I am Jason, the world is yours, born and raised New York City resident, currently living in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we were talking about the Knitting Factory in Brooklyn will be shutting down. Thank you for watching.